Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some Pixie hair transformations. So if you are thinking of cutting your hair into a pixie cut, today's video will definitely inspire you to make a major hair change. So we're going to be checking out some hair color transformations as well as women going from long to shorter strands. So of course, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you feel inspired by any of these hair ideas, and be sure to like today's video. So here we have another pixie transformation. Looks like she went from a bob to a pixie cut. Oh, platinum pixie, absolutely gorgeous transformation. And then here we have someone rocking the purple money piece highlight trend. Looks like she had more of like a bob haircut to start, and then she switched it up to this beautiful pixie cut. Next up, we have a nice modern pixie, beautiful layers throughout the hair. And we have a salt and pepper pixie, beautiful feathered bangs in the front portion. Then we have a gorgeous burgundy asymmetrical Pixie undercut, very cute. And then we have another undercut pixie style. Gorgeous color, beautiful brown and blonde on the ends. And then we have a split dye pixie, copper on one side, blonde on the other. Oh, gorgeous asymmetrical pixie cut. And then a nice classic slicked back pixie. And we have another classic Peter Pan style pixie cut. I love seeing the transformations from the long to the short. Definitely my favorite. Then we have a short, kind of choppy style pixie cut. Oh, absolutely gorgeous with the bangs in the front. Beautiful, love the coloring. It's kind of like a hint of, actually it's more of like a split dye, blonde on one side. That may be the lighting though, lighting was kind of dark. So then we have another gorgeous bowl cut style pixie. Longer in the back. It actually seems more like a mixy haircut. Kind of like mullet vibes with that one. And then another kind of Pixie haircut. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these pixie styles with me. Be sure to check out this video if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas.